Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. So today I will be showing you how to make stuffed pork tenderloin with mushrooms. So you want to stick around for that. It'd be pretty fun. And also thanks for watching, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Lots of other videos to check out on my channel after you check out the pork tenderloin stuffed with mushrooms. And let's get started with our pork tenderloin stuffed with mushrooms. So for the pork tenderloin, what I'm going to do is I have some mix of mushrooms. So I got some shiitake mushrooms, oyster mushrooms. I have some button mushrooms in there as well. And what I'm going to do is, and I toss some onions in there as well. A few onions, and some rosemary, sage, thyme, and some garlic. So we'll toss that in. And this is our food processor. I'm just going to mix it all this up, and then we're going to stuff our pork tenderloin. A little bit of olive oil. A little bit of lemon juice. Yeah, I squeeze like a fresh lemon, roughly about a quarter of a lemon. Some salt. A little bit of coarse salt in there. Some pepper. And we're going to puree that up and for our pork stuffing with mushrooms. Now we're going to come back and we're going to stuff our pork tenderloin with this. And you want to put your oven at preheated at 375. And yeah, and then we're going to stuff our pork tenderloin with the mushrooms. And there's your pork tenderloin stuffed. Alright, so our pork tenderloin is right here. So what you want to do with this, you try to want to get a big one. And what you want to do is make a slit here. And we're going to tie it up as well. So it all stays together nicely. Can I make a, ooh, almost like a pocket there? See how I did that? Yeah. And now we're gonna grab our mushroom mixture. Use a spatula is good. Now, add our lovely mushroom mixture in there. Smells delicious. Like a pork tenderloin stuffed with mushroom. Now, and we're actually going to sear it up as well. So I kind of show you that there as well. Wow, it's pretty awesome. I know why this is popular. It's so good. Yeah, this is a recipe I kind of came up with. Recipes are in my head. It's crazy. Right now, I'm gonna kind of fold this guy over. And of course, before you stuff it, I already stuffed it, but before you stuff it, you take a little bit of the silver skin off. Always good. And the stuffing is a bit soft, it is a little tricky to stuff, but it worked. You know, it works. It's fine. Stuff it in there. Yeah, it's not a big deal if some of it falls out. You know, it's all good as long as most of it stays intact. Then we're gonna put a few strings on there. Quick tie up. Nothing crazy. It was just a little tie job. You want to go light, or the stuffing will pop out on you. Yeah, and then we can cut it in little steakies after, kinda, I guess. Right. And you don't want to tie it too tight, eh? Or the stuffing will just like pretty much fall out on you. If it falls out a little bit, it's okay. Try to keep most of it in there. Yeah, so it's going to be really challenging to, actually, yeah, it'll be a bit challenging to sear, so I can show you a little trick with the oven. We can, yeah, we'll kind of sear it in the oven. So I'll show you that. Crank her up to 400, and that'll give it a good sear. And then once that happens, then we can turn it down and then finish cooking it at about 350. So, but to get that little sear on top, go for 400. Right. Yes, I'm gonna season them up as well. Lots of pans, so we'll toss this guy in here, like so, and we'll season them up with a little bit of garlic powder, and season on all sides, of course. That was onion powder, steak spice, right, some Italian seasoning. Toss a little bit of rosemary, sage, and thyme on there. Flip them over. Season on the other side. Always important. Again, rosemary, sage, thyme. Garlic. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Italian seasoning. Ready for the oven. So we're just gonna sear it up in the oven at a higher temperature and turn it down to about 350 and let it go for, it's not gonna take too long, and it can be a little more of a medium well. That's totally fine for pork. So toss her into the oven. Toss it into the oven. Let it sear up. Our finished pork tenderloin. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of plating for it. And you can also serve it with pretty much any type of veggies you want. So keep that in mind. You can do, be creative with your veggies. You can do, yeah, like carrots, potatoes, or any of the classic veggies, or you can do something sophisticated. So whichever you want to do is cool. There's the pork tenderloin stuffed with mushrooms. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking good. So hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed the video. That was a lot of fun with the stuffed pork tenderloin with mushrooms. Pretty awesome. Hope you enjoyed. And so Beaumont's food question of the day is, what is your favorite pork dish? Get down below. You know, give me a comment. Let me know what your favorite pork dish is. If it's pork tenderloin, let me know. Get down below and say, let me know what your favorite stuffed pork tenderloin is, or your favorite pork dish. I have a few. I really like pork chops with mushrooms usually too, like a mushroom sauce. It's pretty good. And also I really like bacon. Who doesn't like bacon? And also I also like pork belly too. So there's a few few dishes, the pork dishes that I like. So get down below. I want to know what your favorite pork dishes are. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to give the video a like. And don't forget to subscribe. There's a ton of videos on my channel to check out. They're growing, so you definitely want to check them out. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.